segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing political science. In that, outcomes of democracy. Today's subtopic is accommodation of a social diversity. So, can we think that the democracies lead a peaceful and harmonious life among the citizens? When we see the fear expectations of that democracy, that should proceed with the peace and harmonious life of a social which is related to the totally citizens of a country. When we see the earlier chapters of related to the democracy, we can understand the people of democracy. Sometimes we can see inequality. And in the first chapter of political science, about Belgium we are learnt, and democracies usually develop according to the consumptions, and this is reduce the possibility of some tensions of those are become explosive or violent among the people. So no societies can fully permanently resolve all the conflict, all disputes among the different groups of society. But we can learn some respective things. We can make a dignified society with these difference, and we can involve mechanism in the difference among the people, in that especially in a different groups of a society. Democracy is best, it's a suits to produce the outcome. When we see the non-democratic, that is, they are having a blind eyes or some the internal social differences, it will be democratic or non-democratic countries. So ability to handle the social difference, when we especially divisions and conflict, that is a define the major points of a democratic. When we study about the example of Sri Lanka, that is in a democracy, that is a fulfill the two conditions in order to achieve this outcome. So those 2 conditions, when those are, one is, it is necessary to understand that democracy is not a simply ruled by a majority option. The majority party, it will be elected by a people even though the majority always need to work with the majority supportive of the parliamentary member. So the majority, it is monetary options, that is not a permanent. That majority party, when the its term it will finish, again the majority party, it will become the new leaders, new ideas. It will be just like a circulation. The after the some countries 4 years, in our country it is a term of 5 years. The second one, it is also necessary that rule by majority does not become a rule by a majority community. It is sometimes it is a term turns into a religion, religious region, or race, or linguistic groups rule by in a majority. It means that the case of every decisions, or in case every election, different persons and groups, they are come into the force as a majority party. But democracy remains the same. There is no change at all. But even though the people, it will be change a democratics, the majority parties. The how it will be changed, the voting, the power of their votes, the specially adult franchise, they can choose, they can change a majority party, that is in their hands. So you can check it out all these points in your NCRT 10th grade textbook. Thank you.